Good afternoon, students. So today we'll start from this changes involving energy. Okay, open to page number 35 in your book. Only this topic is left. Okay, only this topic. This topic is very small. First of all, changes involving energy. Now see, we know the role of heat is water cycle. Okay, heat from the sun evaporates water from the water sources that leads to the formation of clouds and finally to rainfall. Is this clear? Heat from the sun evaporates water from the water sources that leads to the formation of clouds and finally to rainfall. Similarly, energy from sunlight helps plant to prepare their food with the help of chlorophyll. Okay, to prepare the food of trees, that means chlorophyll is needed. That is a green pigment. Chlorophyll means what? It is a green pigment found in plants. Okay, now in your house, when you whitewash your house, that means before painting, whitewash is needed. Okay, before painting your house, whitewash is needed. You dissolve quicklime in water. Okay, quicklime means what is the chemical formula of quicklime or chemical name of quicklime? Quicklime is calcium oxide, CaO. Wait a minute. Quicklime is, see, this is the quicklime, CaO. Okay, this is the quicklime. When this quicklime, and what is the name of this quicklime? This is the calcium oxide. In presence of water, this forms calcium hydroxide. Is this clear? This forms calcium hydroxide. CO is the quicklime. It forms in presence of water. It forms calcium hydroxide. Okay. For in case of whitewash of our house, we use this calcium hydroxide. Okay. Now, what do you see? Bubbles and gases evolve, and the container becomes hot. Yes. When you dissolve quicklime in water, what happens? Bubbles, and you observe the bubbles and the gases evolves and the container becomes hot. Okay, container becomes hot. What kind of change is this? In this change, a lot of energy in form of heat is produced. Okay, which makes the container hot. That means this is one type of exothermic reaction. Na? Exothermic reaction means what? Exothermic reaction means where in such type of reaction where energy is liberated, okay, or energy is released. This type of reaction is called exothermic reaction. Now, a container becomes cool. A container becomes cool when ice melts in it. Okay, if you put a small amount of glucose, you all know glucose. Okay, glucose water. You also drink the glucose water in this summer hot season. Okay, summer season. Of glucose on your tongue, it dissolves and your tongue feels cool. Similarly, you put a few drops of alcohol on the back of your palm, alcohol disappears and the back of your palm feels cool. Okay, this is so because the heat energy required for this change is taken from the surrounding. That means for this glucose, in case of glucose, alcohols, the heat energy is taken from your body. Okay, in case of glucose, okay, and alcohol, the heat energy that is taken from your body. If you carefully examine the changes taking place around you, you will find that energy is either evolved, that means released, or absorbed during each change. Okay, when energy is released or energy is evolved, this reaction is called exothermic reaction. Okay, so exothermic reaction means what? Exothermic reaction means what? This is a such type of reaction where energy means in heat, okay, in form of heat is evolved or released. Okay, released. And in case of endothermic reaction, energy in terms of heat is absorbed. Okay, energy is absorbed. Is this clear? Now, in some changes, it is very easy to show the involvement of energy. For example, for lifting a book or a bucket of water or to change their positions, energy is provided by the body. It is very easy, na? Similarly, in burning of matchstick, the energy evolved is due to a chemical change. Okay, that means oxygen is needed. Oxygen is more important requirement for the burning of any particles. That means to burn the matchstick, energy is needed. That means oxygen is also needed. Okay, but in many cases it may be difficult to associate the changes with energy. For example, it may not be an easy exercise to show that energy is involved with the change of seasons, flowering of plants, ripening of fruits, or drying of clothes. It doesn't mean that there is no involvement of energy in this changes. Okay, you have seen that all changes involve energy in one form or the other form. Okay, in one form or the other form. In a change, energy is either absorbed or evolved. See, energy can never be created or never be destroyed. Is this clear? This is very important. Energy can never be created, nor be destroyed. Energy is either absorbed or evolved. Okay, in fact, a change cannot take place without the involvement of energy. Is this clear? Now your this chapter is completed. That means your syllabus is completed. Your homework will be this checkpoint. You must be done. You must be do this homework. Okay, you will do this homework. Then these keywords, see, desirable change, undesirable change, slow change, irreversible, periodic change, physical change, chemical change, rusting. Okay, these all are keywords are important. Now you must be read this. You will read this summary. Okay, then all the question answers of the exercise you will do in your home. Okay, see, from page number 37 to page number 38 up to here. Okay, question number F, A to F. This checkpoint and the exercise, this exercise. Okay, see all of these question answers. Next class, I will discuss about the question answers from this exercise. Okay, thank you.